go now, okay? I'll see you later. Bye-bye. I look goofy with this GoPro on, man. Degrees, gotta wait for like 4 minutes. We'll see, I don't know. Wait, front end lift. Stop beeping at me. You can't even turn it off when it's in reverse either. Damn speed bumps. Oh, I'm a little blind. Oops. Wait, how did I not see those cars there? What am I doing? Anyways, it doesn't matter. Let's go. After we get warm, we'll start doing some harder pulls like that thing. What was that, bro? A Volvo? Anyways. Stupid. It's alright though, cause I'm in a Mclaren. Yeah, look at my mirror. That's actually rough. I gotta make an inlay and cut right there. Oh, that's terrible. It's whatever. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. I need this thing to pop. The downshifts are nice, but they're kind of boring, you know. I need the boom. I want the pop on the shift. If I get one pop on every shift, up or downshift, that'll make me so happy, dude. It's like a 600 LT, you know. It doesn't do that unless I'm in sport mode and like every shift at redline, which I'm not trying to do because it has 47,737 miles on it, which is not really good. It still sounds nice though. Oh, let's chill. No weird sounds. And we go right. Boy, scaring me. I want to back into this spot, but like the traffic. Oh, that was a police officer. That's not ideal, is it? Not really, no. It's alright, y'all see that line? How we're along it? Yup. Man, you know I got more room than that. Stop beeping at me. Alright. Gonna go get some... You know what? Gonna go get some coffee. And I will see you back here in like a minute because I don't want to record inside. Oh, it's hard. I'm about to get hit. Anyways, I didn't bring the GoPro, but I felt like I had to show it because it's beautiful. Let's not drop that. Wow. Absolutely love this car, except for the lack of cup holders. This build on here gave me a lot of faults before. It's in a different video. Please check it out. Let's go. Sounds gorgeous. Anyways, time to put the hat back on.
Uh-oh, something black just came out of the honey.
So anyways, alright. The cup holder, the bottom's too small. It's gonna fall out. I have this microfiber, right? Maybe I can, oh, this is clean. Dude, I didn't know I had a microfiber this clean. Kind of wrap it around this. This is gonna work, guys. Don't even worry about it. Oh god, it was a bad idea. What am I doing? The microfiber is not gonna fit, is it? It's not. I'm an idiot, dude. Shove the microfiber kind of down there, you know? Here we go. That's gonna fall. Damn. Let's go. Air off, windows down. Uh-oh. It's a green light. Normally it's red. I gotta put the front end lift up. Oh, it's not the back. Wait, why did I turn right? I gotta take a U-turn. What are we doing? Coffee is good. Coffee's still good. Is coffee gonna be good? Coffee is good. Let's go. Oh, wait a minute. We're first in line, yo. Check mode, because why not? It's green. And we're still going. It's funny that I keep hitting every single stoplight. Uh-oh. Hearing sirens, that's not ideal. Where's that coming from? Anyways. It's only 3,000 RPMs. Sounds amazing. There's always a bump on this road that I end up hitting. I hope I don't hit it this time. If so, I'm gonna watch the footage back and see what the hell it is, because I don't know. I don't see anything, and then just boom, there's a bump. I feel like there's a cop down here. There just always is. We're good. We're good. Is that a cop? Oh, that scared me. ran over something. Damn, I missed it. Perfect. Put it down, neutral, e-brake. It is freaking burning in here. Hurry up and lower. We're good. Let's go. This, my key is in my pocket, my phone. And so cute. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute.